What's the point of elementary row operations and row echelon form? I'll show you right now. Welcome to Math Bytes. I'm Allison. You know about augmented matrices, elementary row operations, and row echelon form, and your question is, why? The answer is the Gaussian elimination method. The Gaussian elimination method is an algorithm for solving a system of linear equations. We use elementary row operations to rewrite an augmented matrix in row echelon form. Probably the easiest way to understand the Gaussian elimination method is to see an example, so let's do that. Now remember, we have Math Bytes videos on matrices, augmented matrices, row echelon form, and elementary row operations. So be sure to take a look at those if you need a refresher. All right, so here's our example. Let's solve this system of equations. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is write an augmented matrix, which consists of the coefficients and the constant terms. So I have on the top 1, 5, 16, and in the second row 4, 3, 13. All right, now I just want to use my elementary row operations to write this matrix in row echelon form. So the first thing I'm going to do is take -4 times row 1 and add it to row 2, and we'll replace row 2 with that. All right, so -4 times 1 is -4 plus 4 is 0. -4 times 5 is -20, plus 3 is -17. -4 times 16 is -64, plus 13 is -51. All right, well now all I have to do to get my matrix in row echelon form is to multiply row 2 by -1/17. So our top row remains the same, and in our second row we get 0, 1, and -51 times -1/17 gives us 3. So now we're going to write the corresponding system of equations, and that is x plus 5y equals 16 and y equals 3. Now we can just substitute y into our first equation and solve for x. So we have x plus 5 times 3 equals 16, so x plus 15 equals 16, x equals 16 minus 15, x equals 1. So the solution to the original system of equations is 1, 3. The nice thing about using the Gaussian elimination method is we just use our coefficients and our constant terms. We put the variables aside for a moment and just focus on writing our matrix in row echelon form. And then that leads us to the solution of our system of equations. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if there's something you'd like to ask us, just send us an email. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com, and we'll see you next time.